Hello and welcome. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you won't miss any new videos. Glide is one of my favorite platforms because it's so easy to get started with. All you need to get started with Glide is a Google account. If you don't have one, then go to Google and type Google account. Now click on create your Google account, fill in the information, and then your account will be created. After creating your account, go back to Google and type Glide apps. So let's click on the link to the website. As we can see here, it says create an app from Google Sheets. Actually what Glide does is that it allows you to create an app from Google Sheets. So basically what you do is you put some data into your Google Sheet and then this data will be transformed into an app. This is the basic idea of Glide. Now let's click on get started. And here we need to sign up with our Google account. All we need to do here is to sign in with the Google account that we created earlier, or with any other Google account that we have. Here it says that Glide wants to access your Google account. So just click on allow, and then you will be signing. If this is your first time signing into Glide, then the only tab you should be seeing is this one, create app. I have been working on other apps, that's why you see the other tabs as well. What we're going to do now is to try to create one app. So to create an app in Glide, we have two options. We can create the app from our own Google Sheets, or we could use a template. I want to show you how you can create an app using Google Sheets. To do that, first of all, we need to prepare our data. Let's go to our Google account and then scroll down to Sheets and then choose blank sheets. Here we need to enter the different data of our app. Let me give you a background about the app that we wanted to create. We will create an employee directory app whereby you will be able to see details regarding your employees, such as their names, their pictures, their email addresses, and so on. So it will just be a basic app, and then you can go on and add some other features that you would like. Let's change the name to my employee list. Let's type in the titles of the different columns. So we have name, employees' names, email address, phone number, and then picture. So these are the four information that you'll be having in this app. I have written here some random names, email addresses, and phone numbers. So of course these are not real. This is just to show you how the app will look like. For the pictures, we will need to put some links. I downloaded some pictures online and I've put them here, and we can choose some of them. So for example, for the first person, let's choose this one. Right click on the picture and then click on get a shareable link, and then copy the link, go back to the spreadsheet and then paste it there, and then do the same for the other two. Our spreadsheet is now ready. So let's go back to Glide and then click on create app, and then from Google Sheets. Let's load the sheet that you have created earlier, my employee list. And as you can see, the data in our spreadsheet has been loaded to the app. There are different layout styles, and you can choose any one that you like. For example, you can choose compact, and you can see how it looks like, or tiles. This is one of the famous layout styles, or just lists. So you can choose and you can play around with it. Of course, you can add any other information that you would like, such as their Facebook page or their LinkedIn page. So you can play around with this app as you like. Now let's say you want to access the app outside of Glide, through a web browser for example, or through your phone, just like any normal app. So what you can do is, you can click on share, and here you have three options. The first option, you can just scan this QR code and then it will take you to the app directly. Glide also create a specific URL for your app. If you copy this link, paste it on your browser, .glideapp.io, then it will take us to our app directly. As you can see here, this is the exact app that we have created. The third option is to enter a phone number, and then they will send you a link, and with that link you can download the app and install it on your phone and access it just like any other app that you have on your phone. I have entered my phone number and they have sent me an SMS message with the link to the app. By clicking on the link, it will take us to the web address of the app, and then from there we need to click on the Add to Home screen. So let's search for it and then click on it, and here we need to change the name of the app to My Employee List, and then click on Add. The app will then add it to our phone just like any normal app that we use on our phone, and when we click to open it, so it opens up and this is our app. Glide is very well documented and you can learn more about it through the following link. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any new videos.